Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your device OS is supported and you have at least 500 MB free. Once done, disable VPN and any custom DNS, then verify Wi-Fi or cellular data is active. You should force close the Fedmobile app and restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. If prompted, grant the app required permissions for camera and notifications. Those often block authentication flows. After this, open the app and proceed to the next configuration checks. Now you perform deeper diagnostics. You clear the app cache, and if problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Fedmobile to refresh certificates. Next, validate your account credentials and confirm your multi-factor method is active. Rebind MFA if it fails. Make sure your device date, time, and time zone are exact because certificate validation depends on them. Also install any pending OS updates and confirm the app's permissions for storage and camera. Once these steps complete, try signing in again to test the fix. Finish by attempting a full login, and if needed, re-enroll your security credentials following on-screen prompts. If login still fails, check official system status announcements for outages and confirm your organization hasn't disabled Fedmobile access. Collect diagnostics, app version, OS version, error messages, and screenshots. Contact support and provide those logs so they can trace the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: enable developer or diagnostic logging only when instructed, then capture logs immediately to avoid losing transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.